Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the yacht and boat spotter channel. Today's video, come with us as we follow this group of friends while they enjoyed the day on super yacht Jerico, the famous Pershing 94-foot motor yacht that is available for charter. We started the day in North Miami and traveled south to the famous Haulover Beach Inlet and Sandbar. There we stayed the whole day into the night, where later we joined a party with a few other yachts. I hope you enjoy today's video, and if you stay till the end, be sure to check out a preview of our next video. Part 2, the night party on board the yachts. Thanks for watching. This video is a collaboration with City Touch Studios and Yacht Jerico.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Superstar video. Right there, hold it for me. Right there.
'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. 'Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this
Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to watch the preview of our next video coming up next. I want to thank City Touch Studios for taking part in the creation of this video and our partner Yacht Jerico for opening this window to the yacht charter scene in Miami. Be sure to subscribe to all our channels. We will see you soon with more yacht content from Miami. Thanks for watching.